Okay, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fund your wallet and with Python signals so you can subscribe. You can pay for your subscription. So there are two ways to do this. You could either use your deposit wallet, okay, or you can use an ePIN. So you can ask somebody to send you an ePIN for you to subscribe and pay for your membership. So let me start by showing you how the deposit wallet works. So when you're logging into your back office, it looks like this a brand new account. There is no subscription on it yet. Now you just simply click on this deposit button. When you click on this deposit button, you put the amount you want to deposit. So in this case, I want to deposit $1,000 because I want to pay for the lifetime Galaxy. All right. So I put in there, of course, choose Bitcoin because you pay using Bitcoin, and you click on deposit. Now, when that happens, it takes you to Python signal merchants, payment merchants, which is coin payment. What next you need to do simply, it's put in your name. Okay, in this case, I put it, then the email address. Once you've done that, you click here, all right? You click here, Bitcoin, all right? And you put, let's say you put in test at gmail.com. Then you click Bitcoin and you click on complete. Now, please note that coin payments charges a little fee. So for $1,000, it's charging an extra $10. So, okay, this money goes to coin payment, and you click on complete checkout. Once you have done that, it will direct you to a page like this. All you have to do simply is copy this as the address, the Bitcoin address you want to send the money to, and copy this amount of Bitcoin you need to send. Don't add, don't subtract. Just copy this. So in this case, it's 2541. Please note that the 2541, it's not always the number because the price of Bitcoin fluctuates. So make sure you copy what is shown on the screen, 2541, and that's it. Now, once you have done that, okay, and you've made the payment, what will happen? You would notice that it will say paid. Once you see paid already, what next you need to do is you come back to your wallet, you come back to your account, okay? Come back to your account and click on upgrade membership. When you click on upgrade membership, you can now select the membership you want to pay for: silver, gold, platinum, Galaxy, or whatever. In this case, I want to pay for lifetime Galaxy. I click on lifetime Galaxy and I click on deposit wallet. Now, by then, the money would have reflected in my deposit wallet. So I click on deposit wallet, the amount of money will already be there. All right, and I click pay. All right. Now, there are also cases where I want to upgrade my membership with my Payout Wallet. So my Payout Wallet, the money you see in your Payout Wallet are income you get from the RSP. All right. So that's just a simple way of upgrading your membership. Now, you can also help somebody upgrade their membership by sending them an ePIN. So to simply do that, you come to finance, okay? You come to finance, all right? Yeah, you come to finance and you click on ePIN system. On ePIN system, what you simply do, you select the package that person wants to pay for, all right? If it's a lifetime, all right? Then you select which of the wallets you want to use in paying, all right? Either from your deposit wallet or from your Payout wallet. Now, once you have selected that, you click on ePIN, the ePIN will be generated. You simply copy that ePIN, all right, and send over to the person. That's how simple it is to upgrade and pay for your membership, and how the Payout Wallet and deposit wallet works. Hope you find this video helpful. Please share with your team members and everyone who needs this. Thank you very much, and God bless.